Well, tonight, prosecutors and defense attorneys are preparing for a legal showdown in the Jared Bridegan murder case. Comes a day after lawyers for one of the three people arrested filed a sweeping motion asking a judge to remove the current prosecutors from the case. Bridegan's ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, her estranged husband, Mario Fernandez, and his renter, Henry Tenen, they're all charged with conspiracy to kill the father of four in Jacksonville Beach in February 2022. Attorneys for Fernandez say the state had illegal access to private emails and text messages between the suspects and their legal teams. News4JAX I-Team investigator Vic Micolucci tells us the evidence includes extensive wiretaps.
We do, Your Honor.
Mario Fernandez's lawyers say the state attorney's office has too much information, emails and texts that should be confidential and could potentially compromise the fairness of the case. That's the basis of this 63-page motion which defense attorneys filed in Duval County Court yesterday. That was in response to this. It's a 23-page list from the state showing the evidence that they have on the case. Prosecutors have statements from dozens of witnesses, including people who provided surveillance video. There are jail calls from the Duval County Jail and Washington State, where Gardner was arrested. Investigators have Jared Bridegan's computer, also video of his funeral. Additionally, there are the cell phones of Fernandez and Gardner and conversations that authorities got through wiretaps.
How does a wiretap in a criminal case like this work?
So a wiretap is it's one of the most intrusive investigative techniques. There's a high threshold for obtaining a wiretap. In fact, you have to go before a judge.
Tony Kravitz is a former FBI supervisor who now runs the Risk Confidence Group. She says wiretaps require warrants and are done very carefully according to federal law.
You have to show that you have tried all types of other investigative means and that you were unable to establish, gain the information that you're going to need. And you also have to show that there is a high likelihood that using a wiretap, you will be able to gain that information. And it's really important to note that, you only, in a wiretap, you only have 30 days.
Kravitz says it's likely the defense will push back against some of the communications intercepted in the wiretaps, including those with the suspect's lawyers. In an email, a state attorney's office spokesperson told us the state will file appropriate objections to the defendant's motion and is confident it will prevail after full consideration by the court. In this case, investigators used a third-party team not affiliated with the case to remove any privileged information. We know that the Secret Service was involved with what's called a taint team.
A taint team is just that you don't want to taint your investigation.
The defense claims that necessary redactions did not happen. Ultimately, the judge will make a decision on whether the case will get a new team of prosecutors from a different district. I'm Vic Micolucci, Channel 4, the local station.
The next court hearing is December 1st at the Duval County Courthouse. That'll be the first time that Gardner and Fernandez appear in court together. Both face the death penalty if convicted.